All right, I'm calling this the habanero update on aquaponics because it's about this bush right here. This habanero plant, you can see all the ripe ones really easy, but up here, there's new ones just coming in all over the place, and it just keeps getting taller and taller. Little habanero or jalapenos. I'll pull those off. Probably do all that this weekend. There's Hassifef.
Awesome pepper.
And here's the koi feeding the grow bed. There's the bees down there. And the baby koi. Keep getting some just floating up every day, probably 3, 4. There's another one. I don't know what is happening here. Go ahead and get him. They're eating, they're fat, they're healthy looking. I guess they're not healthy because they're dying. But I get a few of these every day. Just float up and stick right on that. And let some bigger ones swimming around down there. They're gonna end up being tobies. Still got a good amount going. Here's another one. I don't know. He's just giving up. Not sure. It might be a swim bladder problem or something. I don't know. I'm no expert. It just happened this way. That's the update. Let me know what you think. Let me know what I should do with all these habaneros. Need some recipes or something.